Think and answer. What is in front of a woman and at the end of a cow? Let me repeat it. What is in front of a woman and at the end of a cow? The letter W. Do you know solving puzzles helps in language and vocabulary development? Think and answer. What do geologists do on their free time? Let me repeat it. What do geologists do on their free time? Go to rock concerts. Do you know solving puzzles helps in enhanced patience and persistence? Think and answer. How many bricks does it take to complete a brick building? Let me repeat it. How many bricks does it take to complete a brick building? One, the last one. Do you know solving puzzles helps in enhanced problem solving in real-life situations? Think and answer. Can you name 3 consecutive days without using the words Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday? Let me repeat it. Can you name 3 consecutive days without using the words Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday? Yes, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Do you know solving puzzles helps in enhanced problem decomposition? Think and answer. What would correctly replace the question mark below? Yellow equals yellow. Red equals orange. Blue equals question. Mark, let me repeat it. What would correctly replace the question mark below? Yellow equals yellow. Red equals orange. Blue equals question mark. Green. The colors on the left mixed with yellow make the colors on the right. Do you know solving puzzles helps in enhanced problem decomposition?